There are heated exchanges along party lines among councillors at the latest St. Catherine Municipal Corporation meeting over the government's handling of the dengue outbreak. Several persons from the National Party councillors claim People's National Party councillors, that is, claim they have been sidelined in the fight against the mosquito-borne virus. But a Jamaica Labour Party councillor rose to her administration's defense. TVJ's Krista Campbell reports.
It was Deputy Mayor of Spanish Town and Councillor for the Ginger Ridge Division in St. Catherine, Ralston Wilson, who opened the discussion on what he conceded has been a heated subject, the handling of the dengue outbreak in the parish. In fact, he noted that some councillors had taken issue with a pronouncement he made at last month's corporation meeting. Still, he reiterated,
the dengue epidemic is worse than it was a few months ago.
Chief Public Health Inspector for St. Catherine, Grayson Hutchinson, conceded that the dengue cases have been rising since September, following consistent declines since the initial outbreak earlier in the year. There have been 2 confirmed dengue-related deaths in October and 1 in November. Deputy Mayor Wilson insisted things would have been better handled if the local representatives were still leading the fight against the disease. Mayor Norman Scott suggested that the corporation write to the local government minister to convey the councillors' concerns. Among them, a complaint that councillors have not been included in dialogue with agencies such as the National Works Agency and the National Solid Waste Management Authority about the dengue mitigation program.
If NWA refuses to come and sit with us, how will this be properly coordinated to prevent duplication and, in some instance, lack of removal of the debris that have been causing the breeding of mosquitoes?
Jamaica Labour Party councillor for the Spanish Town Division, Kenisha Gordon, rose to the defense of her administration.
The Minister of Health met just this week with the Mandeville Municipal Corporation and the Clarendon Municipal Corporation to strengthen efforts to fight against dengue.
Then, when she persisted,
I would just want to ask the deputy mayor of Spanish Town about his own efforts in fighting the dengue outbreak. You see, Mr. Chairman, no, and my colleague, before you...
Councillor, please.
Wait, Mr.
Please.
Chairman, allow me.
Councillor Turner, Councillor
Mr.
Gordon.
Chairman, allow me.
No. You can't chair the meeting from there. Please.
But don't try
yes,
to bully
that's
me,
what you're
Mr.
doing.
Chairman. Don't
that's
try
what you're
to bully
doing.
me. Allow me
no,
to
that's
finish,
what you're
Mr.
doing.
Chairman. Allow me to finish. Don't try to bully
No,
me.
I'm not muzzling you.
No, don't try to bully me. You do it all the times. Don't
No,
try
I'm
to
not,
bully me.
I'm
Not
no bully.
today. It's a Christmas
I'm not
season.
no bully.
It's a very good season.
No.
Not
I'm
today.
not no bully. But you're not going to come here to grandstand.
but not
the
today.
fact is,
Not today.
dengue today is worse forever.
Not today. Mr.
People
Chairman.
picnic are dead. Baby are dead.
Mr. Chairman.
And I'm feeling the pain of the people. If you're not feeling it, I am feeling it. I'm hearing the dead babies crying.
Mr. Chairman, dramatizing and shouting will not help the situation.
she wants the corporation to get to the level of providing a blueprint or a strategic plan on how to adequately and effectively fight the dengue outbreak.
We have to up the game as local representatives and find a solution. Mr. Chairman, and I know that you have it in you to contribute more to the fight against the outbreak. Let us not complain, but let us act so we can save children and adults alike.
It's ironic that I hear what I'm hearing about blueprint. The blueprint right now that is being used by the present administration came from me. Came from this municipality.
Krista Campbell, TVJ News.